In this video, I'll show you how to submit an assignment in Google Classroom. First, open your web browser and go to Google Classroom. Next, open the class where the assignment has been posted. You can find assignments under the Classwork tab or on the class homepage. Click on the assignment you want to submit. Now, on the right side of the screen, click Add or Create. If you already have your assignment saved on your computer, click File and upload it. You can also create a new Google Doc, Slides, Sheets, or Drawings file directly from here by selecting the appropriate option under Create. Once you've attached the correct file, review it to make sure everything is ready. If you need to remove the file, simply click the X next to the attachment. When you're ready to submit your work, click the Turn In button. A confirmation message will appear asking if you're sure you want to submit the assignment. Click Turn In again to confirm. Your assignment has now been successfully submitted to your teacher. That's it. This is how you can submit an assignment in Google Classroom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.